This is Matt, and this will be a quick tutorial on how to use Lovable. So Lovable at lovable.dev. I'll put the URL in the video description so you can just click that URL and end up here. So this will just be kind of a quick start guide to Lovable. I'm not going to show you the ins and outs of absolutely everything that you can do, but from this main screen, so lovable.dev, we can just start prompting here. So you can just start prompting. You can enter your prompt in right here. You can log in, you can get a free account. You have quite a lot of credits with a free account. I just use a free account and it's pretty darn good. So you could start to write something here. So maybe you want to create a site around create a roofing company website. So this is the usual example I go through on these kind of videos. You could prompt something as simple as that. So you could just put create a roofing company website, or you might put create an electrician company website, whatever it is. Now I've got a more you do websites or apps on here. I've got a more detailed prompt right here that I actually got from ChatGPT separately. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in there. Just like that. So essentially we're building a web app called What Should I Work On Today? So I won't read the whole thing. It's quite a detailed prompt. You can easily get a prompt from ChatGPT just by saying, you know, give me some prompt ideas on on whatever the thing is. So I won't show you the how I did that particular prompt, but you could just ask some random prompt ideas for Lovable, or you could say, well, look, I'm interested in this. I'm interested in art or photography, or I'm interested in video production, or whatever it is. You know, give me some app ideas, and then you can iterate and you can get a really cool outline, which Lovable is going to find really useful right here. So like I say, if you're not signed in already, once you click on this button to actually go ahead and create the app, you will have to sign in. So I'll click there. Now I'm not signed in, so I'll show you how to sign in. You can create a new account, or you can continue with Google or GitHub. So you've got a full GitHub integration, which is really useful as well. I'm just going to use Google to sign in. And just like that, we're ready to go. So we're signed in now. Previous projects will be up here if you do have previous projects, once you actually have some stuff right here on Lovable. So I have my prompt. Like I say, I got this from ChatGPT. It's quite detailed. We'll see what Lovable comes up with. So let's click on the arrow there to go ahead, and Lovable will work its magic. So you can see it's doing its thing here. It's thinking. I'll pause the video here because this might take some time. It might take a few minutes, not too long, but I will unpause once we actually have something in the window right here. Okay, so just like that, the app has been completed. As Lovable has told us, the app is working with the calm, warm, cream aesthetic. So in the usual way with AI tools, we can continue to prompt here. But what we have, I mean, this looks quite basic compared to some of the stuff that you can create, but you know, we're just looking at the preview right here. So what should I work on today? Add your ideas will help you pick one. So let's try it out. So let's click on add an idea. So I quite like that. So it's a nice interface here. We can set our options right here. We can add some notes. So maybe I'll write make Lovable video. Make Lovable video, make it awesome. So we're going to say this is going to take 1 to 2 hours. Let's say high energy, and we will go with creative. So can we select multiple? No, it's just individual. So let's see what this looks like. So let's click on add to ideas. And again, we're just trialing out. This is just a preview of what this little app that we've created right here will do. So we can continue adding new ideas right here. We've got the idea has appeared here, the make Lovable video one. Decide for me. I don't know what that's going to do, but let's try it. Before we pick, how are you feeling energy wise? So again, this is just something that Lovable has knocked up for us from that prompt. And again, the prompt was quite detailed. I got it from ChatGPT. Let's say find something for me. Oh, okay. So we have one option that I already entered, which was make a Lovable video. And okay, so that's kind of cool. So it's selected this option. I can say I'm done with this, pick another one, pick something else. I'm done for now. So you would have a ton of different ideas here. The general principle of this particular app, you know, obviously we're just doing a demo thing here just to show you how Lovable works, but you'd keep on adding ideas and you can have more and more ideas. And then the system will essentially select ideas for you based on your energy level and how creative you are and how much how creative you're feeling and how much time you have. So when you're ready to, like I say, you can iterate, like maybe we want to say expand the app and ... you know, maybe you re-prompt using ChatGPT, maybe you just kind of continue to iterate it yourself. But when you're finished, you can actually publish, you can publish this, and you can actually export the code. You know, you can send it to GitHub. I'll do another video on that, how to actually export from GitHub. So we have these options here. You can see how it looks on mobile. That's mobile right there. And that's desktop. I mean, this is quite a narrow, kind of confined app anyway. So it's not going to look that different. But like I say, I'll do another video on how to export from GitHub once you've kind of iterated your app and you want to maybe take it over to Cursor or something like that. But hopefully you found this video on how to use Lovable useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.